Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest pictures not loading. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest pictures not loading, you should just go to settings. After that we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about this window of Pinterest and you will enter. Here in this page we click force stop and we click OK. After that we go to click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi like this. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.